Make sure this is working. Now it's working. Hello. Happy Tuesday. Okay. Always have to check this to see what is happening with it. How are y'all doing today? Tuesday talk. Here we go. Ready? Tuesday talk. In this episode, what we're going to be talking about is freedom and how you really can achieve that. There's something very important, hello, Christina, that needs to come before you are looking for freedom. Or trying to feel into that sensation or that feeling. The other things I want to talk about, a free workshop that I have coming up, and then I want to lay on you the latest retreat info, which I can't really completely share, but I'm going to share a little bit of it. I'm going to give you a little tidbit. Okay. So one of the things that I see a lot happening is when I tend to be working with people is they like to get to the step or 10 steps ahead than where they really need to be right in this moment. And we all do that. I am notorious for doing this, and it's okay that we're doing that. But when it comes to freedom, joy, I want to be more balanced, I want to be more grounded, then we really need to be thinking of the steps before that and really discovering where they are. Hey, Lindsay. In order to get to a place where you feel and are embodying, I want you to be embodying freedom. I want you to be embodying joy, love. I want this to be exuding from you. Confidence, core confidence, is where that all starts. So when you have ever witnessed somebody who is just a joyful being, chances are that what they've been practicing, even if they didn't necessarily call it this, is they have been practicing core confidence. That is meaning that they are authentic. They have been practicing leaning into authenticity, leaning into releasing what the world has taught them and has been habitually shared with us, and instead we're going within of what is right for me. And for some people, that's actually a guttural yes or no. That's let's say a choice comes to you, an option, even if you want to go to lunch with somebody. And if you're really in tune and we get into that core confidence, then we're able to say, yes, that is the best decision, or no, it's not. Now, this is what's really fascinating. I want you to listen up and I want you to listen really clearly, is that usually people are great at this in their professional, their career lives, or in some aspect of their life. Maybe it's taking care of other people and you're really good at being honed in of the yes, this is right to do, or no, this is not the right opportunity for me. But when it comes to your own self, to your personal life, to what it is that you need to be doing for you, that's usually when we start to struggle. That's usually when we get the lack of clarity, the I don't knows, the I wonder really what I should be doing right now. Hey, Amy. I love when I can actually see that people are here. So glad that y'all are joining me. When we want that clarity, and we really need it and want it in our personal lives, because the outer success that everybody sees is amazing, but we also want the inner to be reflective of that too. And it's not to say that it like never is, but for a lot of us, we are also on a quest to find more of that inner clarity, more of that inner confidence. And when you have that core confidence, that's when the sensation, the physical sensation of freedom and of joy and of living out loud and of taking up space and being seen and being heard, feeling abundant, having abundance in your life, that's when all of the magic starts. That's when it really starts clicking into place. That's when you hear conversations and those of us that are practicing it are like, oh my gosh, like my whole day just unfolded, or these beautiful things just unfolded right before my eyes. Christine is like, yes, 100%. Okay. So the confidence comes before the freedom. So that's the whole reason. Oh, Lindsay, thank you. Lindsay says, oh, this is speaking to me so much. That's the whole reason that my purpose is to teach you all core confidence. Because if women and all leaders, if all of us are making our impact in the world, we want to make sure we're doing it from this embodied place of being connected. And how we do that is what I'm going to be doing in the next retreat. Okay. So I get to that in a minute. Now, I'm absolutely horrible with dates. Let me see if I can tell you the right date. I actually have to pull up my calendar. Okay, in the Wild and Bright Sanctuary. So that is my free group within Facebook. It is a private Facebook group. I would love if you join me there. Okay, it is called the Wild and Bright Sanctuary. And within that is all of the information, but you'll also see it in the Dr. Sara Smith Facebook page. I haven't posted it on Instagram yet, but I decided that I want to do this connecting with your soul's purpose. And I'm going to do this, if I'm telling you the right date, please just read the information in case I'm saying it wrong. The 29th, it's at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for those of you that are outside the time zone. And I want to come together. I'm not going to be doing a recording on this, so you must be in the live. I want to do this process with you because I was working with a client and I got this beautiful downloaded process, because there's a lot of gunk that comes around feeling as if we're living in our soul purpose or not. And most of us, it's like right there in front of us. It's constantly being shared with us. And we feel like there's supposed to be more, or we're not still quite sure. And that's because, again, we've got to get in the place of core confidence in order to activate that. So we are going to be doing that together. It's going to be an hour and a half, maybe an hour. It depends how long it takes. Usually I go a little bit longer with things. Okay. But I really want you to join me with this. So it's connecting to your soul purpose. Please join me. All the information is on Facebook, and I'll try to put it up on Instagram too for in my link site in my bio. And we're going to do it through Zoom, 8 p.m. Eastern time. This is a unique way of looking at this. We're going to be creating a mantra together to really make sure that you take this information and you immediately can start applying it. Because when I saw what happened with my client, and she immediately was like, oh my goodness, I just put this into action. And I can't believe I just had this experience. Look at this email I just got. I'm like, this is good. I wrote down the process. It was a download straight from God. And now I'm going to be sharing it with you. Okay. Now, the embodying of core confidence is something that you all have been hearing me talk about a lot. You can go to my website, drsarasmith.com, and you can see at the very top on that front page, there is connecting to your core confidence. I have been dreaming and scheming of creating a very, very small group of women where we are living and practicing core confidence in our professional and our personal lives, because the two are so connected. They're so connected. And even though we sometimes don't want them to be, they are. And so we're going to be spending 3 months starting in September being together in an online platform. You're going to be doing private coaching with me, and you're going to be doing group coaching, but we're going to be starting with a retreat in person in Richmond, getting together, and through yoga, through meditative practices, through body movement practices, through core training, you are going to be strengthening your core, your mind, your mental core, your physical core, and your spiritual core to kick off this whole thing. So that is going to be in September. So that is something that is of interest to you. Please go ahead and send me a private message and let me know that you want to be interested when the information comes out, because I will guarantee you that there will not be many spots. Okay. And especially because it's COVID. So, or not because it's COVID, but because it's COVID season. There's just a lot going on right now, so we need to keep it super small for the safety of everything. Do you have any questions? Is this speaking to you? Does this make sense? Even if you're catching the recording later, share with me. Let me know. I am happy to talk about it a little more. I'm just going to give you all a second. Cool. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've been trying to do these Tuesday talks every Tuesday, and I've not been doing very well for the last several weeks. But it's going to be my birthday on Thursday, and today is my husband's birthday, and I'm just happy, happy, happy to be here. We just bought a house. Everything has been wonderful. So I love you all. Thank you so much for joining. Message me with any questions or tag me and let me know. I'll be here. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.